Hey everybody, quick meme review for you. So this one was sent to me by Steven Vasquez, and I made a chart to describe this one. So I don't know if you can see this. So over here on this axis, over here is my enjoyment, and I listed my enjoyment by importance of Civil War battles. So at the very top, I have Chancellorsville because my own Stonewall Jackson was killed there. Battle of Second Bull Run, which extended the war considerably. Gettysburg, which is really the battle that swung the war. And then at the very bottom of the least importance is the Battle of Schrute Farms. You Office fans should get that. Then at this axis, you have my viewing time 10 seconds, 5, I'm sorry, 0 seconds, 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way up to half a minute, 30 seconds. So let's take a look. Time Traveler. What battle are we in? So because there's a time traveler and I don't like sci-fi stuff, we started out with Schrute Farms. Bull Run, sir. And it goes up. Time Traveler, which one? The first or the second? At this point, it's getting a little long, but then when the Civil War soldier says second what? Look at that guy's face. It's like a perfect meme. This is a perfect meme. So, Stephen, if you look on my graph at the very top, we end up at lit. So, great meme. Big fan of this one.